double unboxing today. I've had this for a couple of days from Vacation Brewery. From Hepton Bridge to your fridge. It's a rhyme every time. They're a poet, but they don't know it. So, I'll open this one first, because it's been waiting for 2 days. I know what it is, because I ordered it. It was on a special offer, and I've had beers from Vacation before. So it's two things. It's that cardboard. No. It's this Vacation Imperial Kirsch Chocolate and Cherry Stout. And this, if I can get it out. Which is incredibly well wrapped, which is good. Is the Vacation glass. It's a stained glass, and it's for this beer. So for the glass and the thing was £7.50. So I think that's pretty good. And it says established 2015 MMXV Vacation Brewery. I thought it was actually going to be branded by the name of the beer, but obviously not. So I'm really looking forward to that. Nice glass, isn't it? I think that's just must be 250ml or something. So this one is my Beerwulf subscription. You get 4 torpedoes each month for the sub beer system. So the first one, I've just slipped the box open just a minute ago. This is Wild IPA, and that is, I have no idea what the ABV is on that. I'll have a quick look for that. Right, I found it. It's the Wild Beer Company IPA. So they are from, it doesn't say. This flagship IPA beer was conceived at every stage with food pairing in mind. It is balanced with a dry finish and a low but moreish bitterness. No other beers with food quite like Wild IPA. So it's a 5.2% IPA. Delicious with a cheeseburger, it says. So that is, it's 5.2%, I think it says that. It's $13.99 for a 2 litre top. Whether I would pay that, I don't know. I've not tried it yet. You never know. What's this one? Delirium Tremens, a Belgian beer. Now this is very expensive from Beerwulf. I think that's either $17.99 or $18.99. I think it's the dearest, the most expensive one. So that's a golden ale, a Belgian. It doesn't say that on here. And it's, I think it's an 8.2 or 8.5. 8.5 it is. So that's getting put in the fridge today. Next one. Oh, Brand is the brewery, and that is Lentebock. So a bock is like a dark kind of beer, isn't it? I've had a Maybach. So that's Dutch brand Lentebock. Looking forward to that one as well. I don't know what the ABV is on that. 6.5%. It says it on the front. And finally, it's a Vixe, a Vit beer, a white beer, wheat beer or white beer. So that is, I don't know if that's Belgian or Dutch. I think it might be Dutch, I'm not sure. And what is the ABV on that? I cannot see. I'll put that in. So this is my second delivery from these. Now, from Beerwulf. Now, the only thing I don't like about Beerwulf is they tie you into a 6-month contract. So that's $49.95, I think it is, a month, £50, and you get 4 tops. So the actual value of the tops is more than because that Delirium Tremens is like £18-19. What was that first one, did I say? £13 odds. And I think these are just like £10 ones. I'll put that in. But all the beers that I've had so far have been really, really good. Like surprisingly good. I've really enjoyed them. The one I've got in at the moment is the Saint-Fulien. That is outstanding, really. So anyway, that's my wee haul for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully, when I'm drinking these. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.